So here comes the Resurrection Remix latest version 8.6.9 which I am using right now. I'm just gonna share with you some top cool new 6 features. Only these 6 features you get in Resurrection Remix. And also let me confirm you once that this is not a unique feature list. These are some 6 features which I got to know after using Resurrection Remix, and I got to know that these features are actually quite good. Not every ROM has these features, so let's gonna talk about all these features one by one. First of all, we have adaptive brightness feature. Yes, it's not a great feature for other custom ROMs, of course, but the thing is, you can see there's some advanced setting available for you which is called minimal brightness level. Yes, this feature is of course available in some other ROMs, but as I previously mentioned, this is not a unique features based video. This is just about some cool features which you definitely need to try out after installing Resurrection Remix. This is a minimal brightness level setting, which means if you want to enable adaptive brightness but don't want to decrease the brightness level at some point, this is a very good thing that you can simply adjust the minimum brightness level for you, which is a very good feature. I personally loved it a lot, and you will definitely love this feature on your device. Second feature in my list is called battery bar. As you can see on my navigation bar, as you just saw, this is a battery bar and you can adjust this location. It has the battery bar related settings, and you can customize the location to status bar top, status bar bottom. You can also set this location to navigation bar top, navigation bar bottom. We have the quick setting related customizations. This includes many options. Normal battery bar options are present in some other custom ROMs also, but even battery bar has some customization. This is the only thing which you get in Resurrection Remix, if I am not wrong. And also, one of the best thing is it's based on Android 10. So yes, this is compatible with almost every apps. A lot of apps will be supported in this thing, and also the stability at its best. You can also customize a lot of things in battery bar. So this is one of the features which you definitely need to try out on your device. Another feature which we're going to talk about is the status bar weather. As you can see at my status bar, I have the weather available alongside with that logo, alongside with that option icon pack, and you can also customize this icon pack, and yes, it's just great. Resurrection Remix always comes with huge customizations, and this is one of those customization which I was talking about, condition icon pack. You can simply change these icon packs, and there are many options available for you. vClouds, you can choose the Google, and many kind of options present for you. Now, last but not the least, this is maybe second last if I'm not wrong, or maybe third last. This one is the quick settings header. The quick settings header includes many options for you. You can adjust any kind of image at your quick setting header. If you like any kind of these images, you can adjust that. Some custom ROMs have this feature of course available, but not this much quantity. We have many options available for you. You can adjust any kind of picture. You can simply choose any kind of header image, and Resurrection Remix own header images are actually looking quite good, and this actually honestly looks quite good. So definitely another thing you need to try out on your device. Recents panel has also customizations. It includes a slim recents customization. Normal recents doesn't look like this, but after enabling this slim recents option on your device, you might see these recents, and these are quick enough, or you can say this will improve the multitasking on your device. Looks quite good and impressive one, and you can also customize these slim recents like the background color. You can customize the left edge or right edge. You can customize the side actually. You can choose the left side or right side. You can also customize the corner radius like this. You can choose the rounded recents. So it actually looks quite good and seems to be very interesting feature. That's why I've included this one in my list. But now we're going to talk about another feature, last but not the least in our list. We have the volume panel related customizations. Volume panel also has huge options for you. You can customize a single thing according to you. For example, you can customize the volume panel style. Of course, the latest version includes this MIUI volume panel also. Maybe if you're using any other version, you might not get this volume panel, but the thing is, it has these other options available for you, like the calling ringtone, Bluetooth ringtone, messages, notification, music, per app ringtones. There are many huge features for you. These are some volume panel customizations. These were all the features which I just want to let you know. There are many more customizations actually if you compare it with other custom ROMs. So one of the must try OS for you. Definitely try out, and definitely worthy. This is all from today's video. I will try to provide a link in the description for all the supported devices. Goodbye, have a nice day.
like I'm floating through the air.